Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power to the spotlight, turn the wall switch off and then the circuit breaker, and verify with a non-contact tester. Once done, position a stable ladder so you can reach the fixture without overreaching. Make sure you have good lighting from another source. Put on gloves to protect the glass and your hands, and place a cloth or small bucket beneath the light to catch debris or a dropped bulb. Now you're ready to touch the fixture safely. You now remove the trim and housing, starting with the retaining clips or screws. Loosen them slowly and set each fastener aside so you don't lose parts. Once free, pull the trim straight down, don't twist aggressively, so you can see the bulb and its holder. This also reveals wiring and how the lamp sits. Support the bulb assembly with one hand as you lower the fixture housing, because some designs are spring-loaded. Take a photo if you need to remember wire positions. You remove the bulb by gripping it firmly, turn counterclockwise for screw bases or unclip for bayonet/push-fit designs, and ease it out of the socket. If it's stuck, wiggle slightly while supporting the socket, don't force it. Once out, compare bases and insert the replacement, making sure the wattage and beam angle match the fixture, then secure the trim and fasteners. When finished, restore power and test. If the socket is loose, scorched, or sparks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.